Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make a cutoff. This isn't really what I usually do, but also here's my sister. And I'm really excited to do this because I have so many unused shirts that just need to go or they need to turn into gym shirts. Okay, so you guys are going to want to choose a shirt that usually is not worn or you ever will wear again. And you're going to want to lay it flat on the ground. Make sure that there's no uneven edges, so make sure it's symmetrical on both sides. As you can see right here, you know, where the folds are is where the shirt is folded as well. Okay, so what we're going to do next is once you lay it flat on the ground, you're going to want to actually fold it inside out. So once you're cutting, the curves are going to go in and not out, so it's not going to look flaky. So I'll show you how this looks in a second. Okay, so it's laid out like this, as you can see right here. The seams are now on the exterior, and again, make sure you have the folds right, just like that. So you see the stitching is where you want to fold it to have nothing that's going to be uneven as well. Okay, so now we're going to cut right along this here and go a little bit just past the sleeve just to make sure that we get the sleeves off. You're going to want to do that for this side and the other side as well. So we're going to cut it like this, get a good starting point, and make sure you cut real gentle just so nothing goes wrong. So right here, you see that? Both sides are going like that. And let's continue. Nice, smooth cuts. Be consistent. So now that we cut the sleeves off on both sides, now we're gonna do a little bit more of a steady curve, and we're gonna cut it along so you can basically, at least it's more noticeable in guys, you can cut just so that you can see the latissimus dorsi, or known as your lats, and they'll be defined really well, as well as cutting pretty close to the neck. You're gonna have good exposure of the shoulders as well. Okay, as you can see, the shirt looks pretty good now that it's a cutoff. Both sides look pretty well, and we're gonna go ahead and try this on and see how we like it. Okay, so now as you can see, the shirt is on me, and as I said, that you can see the shoulders pretty well, and as well the lats are just noticeable right there. So overall, we have a pretty good gym shirt, and we're ready to debut it at the gym. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you next time.